guys, welcome back to KTV. I'm Carson, and today I am going to be using this really weird slime face mask that I got from Walmart. And it comes in a little bottle like this. I already took it out because it's a reusable one, but you've got to sit the slime face mask out for about 5 to 10 minutes before use. So it's been sitting over here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's been sitting over here for about 6 minutes, and I've just been playing with my really hard slime. Oh, boy. And also my holy squishy. I've got more. I don't know why I chose that one. And I've also got this other slime that I've been playing with because I couldn't wait for this video. So let's get ready. So I've got my red one and my purple one. So I'm going to move everything out. And it comes with instructions, but they're all the way over there. And I read them before this video. That was so weird. I read them before this video, and it says you can contact it with hair, like my eyebrows, they're fine. So it says can contact with hair, just not like your scalp hair, and don't like set it on top of your head. So that's that. And then it's not one of the face masks that come with the eye holes and the nose hole, and the mouth hole. So it says once you get it on your face to make it. So I'm going to have to do like this while making it so it doesn't fall off my face. So I tried like this before the video and see if it works. And it somewhat does. It's not like a real face mask, but it does moisturize your face a little bit. So let's get straight on to the video. So I'm going to use the red one first. Okay. So it says to spread out. Ah, ripped. Put it on your booty. Oh gosh, okay. Okay, so I got it like, oh gosh, okay. So I got it like this. It's kind of in my hair. It's kind of like falling off my face a little bit. Oh my gosh, please get out of my hair. Shoot. Oh well, that came out easy. So it did want to kind of fall, so let me just set that over to the side a little bit and put my purple one on. Okay, so I'm just making the mouth hole, now the nose hole, and the eyeball hole. Okay, so I think this one's going to be a good one. So this one actually turned out pretty good. It's kind of falling off my face. I look like I have a beard. Like, it's literally falling off my face right now. Like, it looks like, so like, you know those guys, like the Rub My Tummy guys? I look like him, literally. So this one turned out a little bit better. I said show instead of so. Let's try that red one again. So far, I really like the purple one. It stayed on really good. And it made my face, like, my pores feel, like, really nice. So now let's do the red one again. I don't think your face is meant for this many face masks. Okay, so I've got this down. Okay, this is actually a nice one. So I might do the purple one again, so I might get through like 2 times or so. So I like it. Ugh, it's just like, it falls off your face easily though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like falling off my face, so I can kind of see you guys right here. I don't know if it's supposed to. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not coming off. Oh my gosh, it got in my hair. So it does come out of your hair pretty quickly. Oh, I got some on my face. So that's good. So I'm going to do my purple one again, and I think that will be the end of this video. So I'm just going to plop it on my face. Okay. Now stay on the face. Okay. Let me try that red one again. I'm not going to worry about my nose this time. Okay, so luckily I didn't have blue because I'd look like a really freaky Smurf. So, hang on, I'm just going to let it fall off my face. I love the sound of this though. I just wanted to make sure nothing got on the couch. So, I like this product a lot. It moisturizes your face really well. I'm really proud of it. And I like it. I like it a lot. And by the way, this was $1. So, if this face mask is reusable, and it's good. Very good. For $1, like, right on. So, I think that's the end. I think this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!